What if I told you that you could turn $35 into as much as $128 per day thanks to our new turnkey system, even if you're a complete beginner and have zero online experience? Stick with me because I'm breaking this down for you step by step. And no, this is not crypto, MLM, or some other gimmick like that. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay, coming to you again today from our home here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondack Mountains. I've been making money online full-time for over 23 years now. It's how I'm able to ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer, while most people are stuck at a job. Hey, before we get going, can you do me a favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. I post several new videos every week about making money online. I know you'll want to get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you do have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. I do read and respond to all of them. So here's what I've found over the years. Most beginners fail to make money online because they struggle with all of the setup and learning curve required. And it's a lot of stuff: landing pages, sales pages, email autoresponders, emails, domain names, follow-ups, and more. It just becomes overwhelming. All too often, they give up and quit without even making a dime. Well, our new, done-for-you, turnkey affiliate marketing system solves all of that. Making money online has never been easier, even for beginners. Now, many new people make money their very first day and build long-term residual or passive income too, and there is zero setup required. It's all part of my #1 recommended income stream for the last 4 years, the Home Business Academy. Here's the rundown, step by step, to start making money today. Step 1 is to join the Home Business Academy with our triple residuals starter pack. Your cost today is only $35. It's everything you need, and it positions you to earn daily and recurring residual income on all 3 of our products. And this is huge. Each all-in customer can earn you $128 per month, and that is paid residually too, month after month, for as long as they are a member. Here's how you do it. Step 2 is to copy your turnkey affiliate link, and then step 3, follow our fast start training to get traffic to that link. It's really that simple. Your new turnkey system is ready as soon as you join. It includes a powerful sales funnel with your own high-converting lead capture page. Every time you get a lead, the done-for-you system takes over. First, it sends your prospect a powerful free ebook with your affiliate link in it. It's called the Residual Income Shortcut. This ebook alone is leading to many new sales each day. And the turnkey system also starts sending your prospects a follow-up email every day for 11 days, also with your link in it, providing them more information and leading the prospect to join your business. Your leads are captured and tracked inside your website, where you can view them, watch their progress, and even download them to use later. The best part, the part that makes it all so simple, is that you do not need to create anything. Everything is done for you. It really is turnkey. You can start marketing, start making money later today. All you do is share your turnkey link, and we teach you multiple ways to do that for free. It only takes minutes a day. As part of our team, you will receive the very best training and support in the home business industry. Daily live Zoom calls, a terrific training website with dozens of how-to videos, and our own social media app where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. At this point, the best thing for you to do is to see the turnkey system in action. Go to my website at attainmygoals.com turnkey. Fill out the form, then watch the video on the next page, review all of the information, and get started today. It's easier than you think.